Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to retrieve or recover deleted or unsaved emails in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the recovery tools we'll be using in just a moment. Once your emails have loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll notice several tabs up there that control different functions within Outlook. Look for and click on the Folder tab. This tab contains important management options for your email folders, including the recovery feature we need. After clicking on the Folder tab, your folder menu will open up with various options. From here, look for a section called Cleanup. Within this section, you'll see an option that says Recover Deleted Items. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed with the email retrieval process. This is where Outlook keeps a temporary backup of items you've deleted, giving you a chance to restore them before they're permanently removed. Now, a Recover Deleted Items window will appear on your screen. This window displays a comprehensive list of all your deleted emails and other items such as email drafts, notes, and calendar entries that have been removed recently. Take your time to locate the specific email you're trying to retrieve. One helpful way to find it quickly is by sorting the Deleted On Date column. You can click on this column header to display items by either older or newer dates, making it easier to narrow down when you deleted the email. Once you've located the deleted email or unsaved draft you want to recover, click on it to select it. You'll notice it becomes highlighted once selected. Now, look at the radio buttons below the list. Make sure to select the option that says Recover Selected Items. This tells Outlook that you want to restore the email back to your mailbox rather than permanently delete it. After selecting this option, click on OK to complete the recovery process. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted or unsaved email in Outlook, and it should now be back in your mailbox where you can access it normally. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.